Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Stoned Vibes palette, and guys, I swatched these colors last night and they look so pretty. On my lids I have Anastasia Beverly Hills eye primer. The first color I'm going to dive into is called Antidote. I'm going to take this color on a Makeup Shack T88 brush and I'm going to add this right in my crease. And now I'm just going to start blending it out. Next, I'm going to use this color called Hexed. I'm going to take this color on my Morphe M514 brush. And I'm going to start by putting this color in my crease here. And I'm going to kind of blend this out right in the front here up until halfway and then just stop there. I can already tell that these two colors are going to be my favorite colors as far as like the matte shadows from this palette, because I love the peachiness and then the brown, this brown, darker brown added with it. It's really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with this color called Third Eye. Taking this color on a Morphe M514 brush. I'm going to add this color right in the crease here on the other half of my lid. And then I'm just going to blend it into the other half a little bit just so that both sides are blended together. I'm going to go back with the color Antidote and I'm just going to sweep it over the edges of Third Eye just to help blend it out a little bit more. And then going back with Third Eye. Next, I'm going to use this color called Tiger's Eye. I'm going to apply this color using my MAC 217 brush. And I'm just going to apply this right in the front here. Next, I'm going to use this color called Jade. I'm going to apply this color with my ABH Cosmetics number 12 brush, and I'm going to put this on the other half. Now I'm going to go back with the color Third Eye, and I'm just going to blend this color into the green. Next, I'm going to take NYX Cosmetics Epic Ink Liner in the color Black, and I'm just going to line my lid. Okay, I've made it pretty like thick and dramatic, but I am going to blend it out with a black eyeshadow. This palette doesn't have black eyeshadow, so I'm going to take the Anastasia Alyssa Edwards palette and I'm going to use the black shadow in here, which is called Beast. You really can use any black eyeshadow you have, it doesn't have to be this one. And I'm just going to take this black eyeshadow and kind of like put it on top of the NYX eyeliner just because the NYX eyeliner is a little bit shiny. Now I'm going to take that same color on a Spectrum A12 brush and I'm just going to attempt to blend this out into the Third Eye color from the Urban Decay palette. Now going back in with the Urban Decay Stone palette, I'm going to take this color called Good Karma. I'm going to take that color on my Morphe M507 brush and I'm going to put this color on my brow bone. Now I'm going to do the rest of my face and I'll be right back for the rest of that eye makeup look. Okay, now I'm done with the rest of my face. I'm going to go back in with the palette and I'm going to take this color Antidote. I'm going to apply this color using my Morphe M507 brush. And I'm just going to put it right underneath here. I'm not sure if it's going to show up too much. Yeah, it doesn't really show up that much just because my concealer is much darker than the eye base that I used. Now I'm going to go in with this color called Hexed. Using the same brush, I'm going to put this color in the front of my eye and stop about halfway. Now I'm going to take this color called Third Eye. Using the same brush, I'm going to take this color and put it on the end of my eye. Now I'm going to go back with the Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm going to go back with this color called Beast. I'm going to take this color on a MAC 212 brush and I'm just going to smudge it underneath my lash line. I'm going to bring it all the way through. Now I'm going to take LA Girls Cosmetics Shockwave Neon Eyeliner in the color Blackout. And I'm going to line my waterline Last but not least, I'm going to take this color called Good Karma, and I'm going to place this color in the inner corner of my eye as a highlight. For lashes, I'm going to put on Slay Babe lashes in their style called Periodt. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really love how it came out. I did have to use like the black, like I said, from the other palette because I like my like looks to go really deep as far as like colors. I usually don't keep my eyeshadow pretty light. I usually like to deepen it up with really rich dark browns or even deeper with a black, so that's why I kind of went into another palette. But overall, I really do like this palette. Everything blended out really nicely. It's been a while since I've tried an Urban Decay palette. I feel like I was interested in their Heat palette, but just never really actually got it. And then everything else that they come out with, I just really haven't been excited for, and this is actually I was very excited for. I really love the shimmers. I feel like the shimmers are the best part of this palette for sure. But yes, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting my channel. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!